Dry eye glasses or moisture glasses may be one of the more underutilized dry eye tools, dry eye treatments out there. And so in this video, I wanted to go over some of the main benefits you get with moisture glasses, as well as some of the options that are available to you out there. Let's focus in. Hey, howdy everybody, this is Dr. Neil Guymon, Dr. Eye Guy. Now, one of the main things that people with dry eyes deal with is when their tears evaporate too fast, leaving their eyes exposed, and then they dry out. And that's where moisture glasses come in handy. Now, the idea behind moisture glasses or dry eye glasses is to seal off the eye from the elements, seal off the eye from the outside air. Now, it does this by having a wrapped frame, so it wraps to the side of your eyes, and also most of them will have some type of seal wrapping around the frame. As you can see, these frames have a silicone seal that kind of actually touches my cheek and actually goes all the way around. So it really locks in my eyes, locks in the moisture, and keeps the outside air from stealing the moisture from my tears. Now, if you're dealing with low humidity or a dry climate, or you're sitting next to a vent with the air conditioning or the heater, or if you go outside and the wind tends to dry your eyes out, or if your eyes just tend to dry out because you're staring and not blinking, you're staring, working on the computer, staring at screens, this is where dry eye glasses shine. And one of the main reasons that I wanted to make this video is because there really are a lot of generic or cheaper options out there if you wanted to test out the concept to see if it actually might be something that works for you. And this video is not sponsored by any of these products. I'll just put links in the description if you want to check all of these out. This one is called onion glasses. They're actually kind of designed for people that cut a lot of onions and they don't want to cry from the onions, so it kind of protects the eyes. It has a little pad that goes around the frame to add a little bit of extra protection and seal off the eyes a little bit. Again, a cheaper option just to test out the concept, but it is something that does wrap really well and does provide a little bit extra protection with those pads on there, and apparently works well when you're cutting onions. Another brand that you should check out, and you can get this on Amazon just like the onion glasses, and this one's from Global Vision Eyewear. This has pretty much the same type of design as the onion glasses. It has the extra pad going around the frame to really seal in the eyes. And these aren't perfect by any means, it doesn't completely seal, but they are available and cheaper than some of the other glasses, and so it's a really good way to test out the concept. The reason why I recommend checking out Global Vision is because they have a lot of options that could be helpful depending on your situation. This one I have right here actually have photochromic lenses, meaning they'll be clearer on the inside, and when you go outside in the sun, they'll darken up, so then it's easier to wear outside. It kind of acts as a little bit type of sunglasses. So then you could potentially wear them all day, inside and outside. They even have some that have bifocals in there if you need a bifocal for extra help when reading, and they have photochromics with bifocals just in case if you need it. Now, a couple drawbacks with these is you can't put your glasses prescription inside the lenses, and also you might have to deal with fogging a little bit. Like this left lens tends to fog up just a little bit, so that's one thing that you might have to deal with, but at least you can try and test out the concept to see if moisture glasses might help. Now, I'm curious to hear who all has tried moisture glasses. Did they help you? Did they not work at all? Definitely leave it in the comments below. I'm curious to hear your answers. Another brand that you should look into are the moisture glasses from Eyeeco. They actually have a patent design for their moisture release glasses. With this design, it actually has small little cartridges that you can soak in the water for 30 seconds and then actually put into the frames, and it will slowly release some extra moisture into the area around the eyes for 4 to 6 hours. So it kind of has an added benefit there. Now, if you've tested out the concept and you know that moisture glasses will work, or if you just want to get serious about it, then this would be the brand that you want to look into. These are moisture glasses from a company called Ziena, and probably make one of the better looking moisture glasses, one of the more serious moisture glasses out there. Now, you've probably noticed that a lot of the dry eye glasses look big and bulky and kind of weird. Well, Ziena tried to make some frames that looked a little bit more normal, but are still moisture glasses. And they actually come with a really great silicone seal, a magnetic style that snaps right onto the frames, and they are probably one of the better type of seal glasses, moisture glasses that you can get. That silicone does actually hug the eyes or hug the skin around the eyes really well, and again with different sizes depending on what will fit you the best. And you can actually get your prescription made into these glasses, whether it's bifocal or single vision normal glasses. The silicone design is really great. They're just magnetic snap-ons, really easy to remove and clean and then put back on, and they cover really well. If you're seeing this video early enough, Ziena did give me a temporary discount code that I could pass on to my viewers. So definitely check out the description below if that's still active, if you want to look into getting a more serious, really well made type of dry eye glasses. And for a more in-depth review of moisture chamber glasses from Ziena, what options are available out there, how they work, prices, definitely check out this video right here. And for more dry eye tips, check out my playlist right there. I'm Dr. Neil Guymon, Dr. Eye Guy. Stay focused.